Welcome to AI Compute. In today's video, you will learn how to create a smart employee registration form in Microsoft Excel. We will use data validation to stop incorrect entries and make your form accurate, professional, and easy to use. Data validation works like a security ground in Excel. It prevents users from incorrect data, keeping your worksheet clean, accurate, and error-free from the start. Data validation has four main parts: list, limits, rule, and error alerts. Together, they help prevent incorrect data entry and keep your Excel sheet accurate. Data validation gives you the tools to allow only valid data such as list, numbers, dates, and custom rules. These help keep your Excel data accurate and error-free. Layer on use drop-down list to control user input. Keep the search list on a separate sheet to prevent accidental changes and keep the main form clean. For advanced form, use dependent drop-down list with named range and the indirect function. The second list changes automatically based on the first selection. Layer 2 set limit for number and date. This prevents users from entering invalid values in the registration form. Layer 3 user custom rules to allow only valid data, such as a 10 digital phone number or name with a specific number of characters. Use the current if function to stop duplicate entries. It checks the selected range and allows a value only when it appears once. For email address, use a custom formula to check for @ and a period. Invalid email formats will be rejected automatically. Layer 4 guides users with helpful messages. Input tips prevent mistake, while custom error alerts explain how to correct invalid entries. Finally, use circle invalid data to find entries that break your validation rules. Fix them or clear the error mark to keep your data clean. In summary, these data validation rules stop common mistakes before they happen, keeping your Excel data accurate, secure, and error-free. Now apply this data validation method to your practice assignment. Use the checklist to create a secure and error-free student admission form in Excel.